Bonjour, my dear friends. Imagine waking up in a sun-drenched Parisian apartment, light pouring through linen curtains, the smell of coffee and fresh croissants in the air. Today, we're bringing that dream to life. No passport required. This isn't about trends or perfection. It's about l'art de vivre, the French art of living beautifully every day. Let's explore how to turn even the smallest apartment into a timeless sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Parisian style begins with a mindset. It values authenticity over perfection, warmth over display. A chipped vase, an old book, a mix of chairs that don't quite match. These tell your story. A true Parisian home feels collected, not decorated. It's lived in, layered and personal, a reflection of a life well loved. Every masterpiece starts with a calm foundation. Soft whites, warm creams, and gentle greys open up small spaces and invite the light to dance. These shades whisper serenity. They make walls recede and rooms breathe. Think of your color palette as the quiet poetry that lets every texture and detail shine. Parisian charm often hides in the details. Mouldings, wall panels, ceiling rosettes. Even a modern apartment can borrow this sense of history. Add trim, create symmetry, frame your walls. These subtle touches draw the eye upward and add grace. They give your home a feeling of permanence, of quiet refinement. No Parisian interior is complete without a statement mirror. Place it opposite a window and watch how it doubles the daylight, expanding your space. A gilded or antique mirror adds instant romance and a hint of grandeur. In Paris, mirrors aren't just decoration, they are architecture made of light. Forget buying matching sets. Parisians curate, they collect. They mix eras, a Louis XVI chair beside a modern lamp, a flea market find next to designer linen. Each piece has a story, and together they create a home that feels soulful, not staged. The secret is balance, harmony born from contrast. True luxury is tactile. Drape linen over velvet, layer wool with silk, let curtains float in the breeze. When your home feels good to the touch, it feels truly alive. Texture brings depth, comfort, and quiet sophistication to even the simplest room. Harsh overhead lighting? Never in Paris. Instead, create pools of light, table lamps, sconces, flickering candles. Let shadows play across mouldings and mirrors. This soft glow turns every evening into an intimate scene of calm, beauty, and quiet romance. Art is not an accessory, it's your signature. Curate a gallery wall that tells your story. Old paintings, sketches, photos, souvenirs of your life. Mix frames of gold, black and natural wood and hang them close together. Your wall becomes a reflection of your journey, a window into who you are. Elegance lives in the small things, the gleam of a brass faucet, the curve of a handle, the sparkle of glass. These details act like jewelry for your home. They catch the light, they whisper refinement. When every detail is considered, the whole space feels effortlessly elevated. Parisian interiors dance between old and new. A modern sofa against a weathered wall, an abstract painting in a gilded frame. Opposites attract. This contrast creates depth, excitement, and character. It's the balance between restraint and emotion, simplicity and history, that defines true sophistication. In the end, the most important element of your home is you. Your favorite books, your travel photos, your rituals. They turn a space into a story. Start small, a corner, a mirror, a new shade of paint. Let your home evolve with you, one detail at a time. Because true elegance isn't about imitation, it's about authenticity. Merci beaucoup for watching, and until next time, live beautifully.